Hi guys, this is me Suchi Bhatt. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today my video is going to be dedicated video to all the mommies who have been suffering with the problem of colic with their babies. Yes, I'm going to talk about in detail about the colic, why this happens in the baby, when this happens in the baby, and what are the symptoms of the colic if your baby is suffering with the colic. So before discussing all the points, I just want to tell you one thing, mommies, that here I'm talking about the problem of colic. It doesn't imply that it is some kind of a disease your baby is suffering with. No, not at all. This is not any disease. It is just a simple problem that your baby is dealing with. Okay, it is a problem, it is not a disease. So just hear me out once and you will get all your questions answered which you have related to colic. So now coming to the first part, what is colic? Colic is actually a gas trouble. It is actually a gas trouble with your baby when the baby is having a acute gas in his tummy, and he is not able to pass out that gas from his tummy. That pain becomes very restless in his tummy. That becomes a colic problem. That problem is actually called a colic. जब बेबी को बहुत सारा गैस ट्रैप है और वो पास नहीं कर पा रहा है, तो उस चीज़ को ही हम कॉलिक कहते हैं, उस पेन को ही हम कॉलिक कहते हैं जो बच्चा उस टाइम सफ़र करता है. So colic is just a gas problem. It is not a disease. Okay, remember, it is not a disease. So now coming to the second part, why this happens in a baby and when this happens in a baby. If we talk about why this happens in a baby, इसका कोई साइंटिफिक एक्सप्लेनेशन या कोई मेडिकल रीज़न नहीं है कि आपके बच्चे में कॉलिक क्यों हो जाता है. कॉलिक एक गैस प्रॉब्लम है और ये गैस बच्चों में नॉर्मली हो जाता है. कुछ में कम होता है, कुछ में ज़्यादा होता है. एंड द बेबी हु आर हैविंग दिस एक्यूट साइड ऑफ अ कॉलिक पेन, acute side of a gas thing, so those babies are called colicky baby. And the babies who are like having minor gas problems, sometimes those mommy don't realize even that their baby is having colic problem or something like that, because it's just a minor gas problem. But when it is acute, that time your baby is suffering with the colic thing, and you should pay attention toward that. You shouldn't ignore this thing. Now coming to the part when this happens. Now again I will say there is no specific duration, there is no specific time that at this particular time your baby's colic period will start. No, not at all. In my case, my baby had encountered with this problem after 15 days of his birth. Yes, exactly after his 15 days of birth he started having trouble with the colic. Now talking about why this happened, when this happened, now comes the part, what are the symptoms? If your baby is having a colic problem, how you will get to know about it? Now coming to the most important part of the video. What are the symptoms of the colic? How to know that your baby is in a colic pain? Like most of the baby, infants are like newborn babies are keep on crying all the time. Like most of the time they are crying. So how to know that whether this crying is just because of colic or not? So let's know about the symptoms of what are the symptoms. See, when your baby is in acute pain, he will cry like 2 to 3 hours continuously. He can cry for continuously 2 to 3 hours straight forward. Okay, so that time you should be knowing that he is having some kind of a problem with his tummy. Or he will put his legs upward side and just try to press his thighs toward his chest, towards his tummy. He will clench his face tightly and just turn his face to be red and screaming a lot. That time you should be knowing that you should know that your baby is suffering with the colic pain. He is encountering with that issue. So that pain is something which is not bearable for a baby at all. The colic pain is really very frustrating, even though for the babies, also for the parents also, to see their babies crying in the pain itself a pain for the parents itself. So it's just like a very bad feeling when your baby is in that state. So but you can cure with this thing with some of home remedies with some kind of medication if you take from your pediatrician. So this is something, just a problem which is curable. So don't get panic if a baby is suffering with any kind of a colic issue. It is just a problem. Okay, and this was all about the what is colic actually. So don't get panic if this happens to your baby. Just follow some of the remedies, some of the home remedies. Go for the home remedies first rather than go. So guys, this was all about the colic problem with the baby. So I hope you guys now understand what is the colic, and it is not a disease, it is just a problem and which is curable. I have put in another video related to how you can cure the problem of the colic pain with your home remedies, with some kind of a medicines, and how to take care when your baby is suffering with the colic. So you do check with that video out. That will be helpful for you guys to deal with the problem of colic with your babies. So do check that video. So take care guys, see you soon in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and will always be feel helpful. If you need any kind of assistance, do let me in the comment box below so that I can help you. Whatever the questions you have related to your baby, I will be glad to answer all those questions. So thank you for watching this video. Bye, take care.